Right now, our Food Sentiment API is showing a notable spike, a sentiment score of plus 0.09 and a momentum of plus 0.75. This is particularly striking given that sentiment around food typically hovers closer to neutrality. You're looking at a shift that suggests increased positive sentiment among consumers. With 19 semantic clusters in play, you can dive deep into specific areas driving this enthusiasm, perhaps health trends, or new culinary experiences. Imagine integrating this insight into your app to recommend trending recipes or food products, giving users tailored suggestions based on real-time sentiment shifts. For documentation and to get started, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of food sentiment together.